There are 4 times as many monkeys as gorillas in a zoo, given that each monkey receives 5 bananas and each gorilla receives 7 bananas, and a total of 405 bananas are given out. How many monkeys are there in this zoo? Now, from the first statement here, we are able to group 4 monkeys with 1 gorilla. Okay, this is called one set, or you can put one group as well, that's fine. Now, in a group itself, how many bananas are given out? Bananas in one set. 4 monkeys, so 4 of them will get 5 each. So 4 times 5 plus 1 gorilla will get 7. So 20 plus 7 in each set, you are giving out 27 bananas. And a total of 405 bananas are given out. You can find the number of such sets. Now this will be 405 in total divided by the number of bananas in each set. And you'll get 15 sets. How many monkeys are there in the zoo? Now in each set there's 4 monkeys. So the last step, number of monkeys, it should just be 15 multiplied by 4, which is 60 monkeys in this particular zoo.